Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unloading lumber for a few commissions I'm working on this weekend. The first one is a toy box bench combo piece. The second one is an abstract shelf consisting of different squares. I'm excited to get these projects started. I'm also very excited to share this new journey with all of you. Please feel free to drop a like, maybe a comment, but most importantly, please subscribe and follow. That's the best way to help support me in this new journey. What would you like to see me build? Thank you again, and we'll see you at the next project. But for now, it's time for me to make like a chisel and split.